Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch dash cams, BOOGIIO dash cam front and DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD. We'll be diving deep into their features, performance, and value for money. So buckle up and let's get started. When it comes to capturing those crucial moments on the road, video quality is of utmost importance. Let's see how these two dash cams stack up in this category. Driving at night can be challenging, which is why having a dash cam with excellent night vision is crucial. Let's see how these two contenders perform in low light conditions. Now let's explore the additional features that these dash cams offer to enhance your driving experience. The BOOGIIO dash cam front emerges as the winner with its superior video quality, night vision, and comprehensive set of features, all at a great price. And that brings us to the end of our comparison between BOOGIIO dash cam front and DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD. Remember, it's important to assess your needs and priorities before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will save you time, money, and headaches. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.